Sustainable side courtyards, eco-friendly and nature-inspired ideas for modern home design. Transforming your side courtyard into a sustainable oasis offers a unique chance to blend style with environmental responsibility. It's more than just an aesthetic endeavor. It's about creating a space that supports biodiversity and minimizes environmental impact. Start by integrating native plants. These plants not only enhance the natural beauty of your courtyard, but also support local wildlife and reduce the need for excessive watering and maintenance. Using reclaimed materials, such as salvaged wood for decking or natural stone for pathways, can give your courtyard a rustic charm while conserving resources and reducing waste. This approach not only contributes to sustainability, but also creates a serene outdoor sanctuary that feels timeless and organic. Harnessing nature's power is key to innovative courtyard design. By incorporating solar-powered lighting, you can illuminate pathways while conserving energy. Rainwater harvesting systems can be seamlessly integrated, capturing runoff to nourish your garden and reduce reliance on municipal water. Drought-resistant plants like succulents or ornamental grasses thrive with minimal water, adding both texture and color to your courtyard. Vertical gardens maximize limited space and create lush privacy walls, while reflective surfaces can enhance natural light, making the area feel more expansive and inviting. These elements come together to create a courtyard that is not only functional, but also a tranquil retreat that aligns with eco-conscious living. Creating a courtyard that supports both you and the planet means making strategic choices that foster biodiversity and sustainability. Consider using locally sourced materials to reduce transportation emissions and support local economies. Installing smart irrigation systems can help manage water use efficiently, reducing waste and promoting healthy plant growth. Pollinator gardens attract bees, butterflies, and birds, enhancing biodiversity and supporting essential ecological processes. Upcycled decor and energy-efficient fixtures add unique character and reduce your environmental impact. By thoughtfully arranging adaptive furniture, you can encourage relaxation while maintaining a commitment to eco-friendly principles. Transforming your courtyard into an eco-friendly haven involves careful planning and choice-making. Opt for FSC-certified wood for furniture to ensure the preservation of forests. Using locally crafted decor can personalize your space while supporting sustainable artisanal practices. Whether you're aiming for a lush botanic retreat or an urban biodiversity hub, these steps will help you turn overlooked areas into thriving ecosystems that reflect your environmental values. With the right design, your courtyard can become a model of sustainable beauty and functionality, proving that living responsibly and stylishly can harmoniously coexist. Begin your transformation today, and let your courtyard serve as a testament to the power of thoughtful, sustainable design.
you.